We are established in 2004 year, and coming to education fair, let me introduce this education fair, which was introduced by T20 Services. And first of all, I would like to thank this T20 Services for giving such a wonderful opportunity for all the colleges, educational institutions, and for parents and for students, and finally the staff. And coming to this education fair of 2013 year, and we are the one of the best premium educational institution, Jagruti Institute of Engineering and Technology, who has taken participation in this T20 service to educate the parent and students in selecting the vital branch and the stream for the next 4 years of the academics. And coming to Jagruti Institute of Engineering Technology, we are established in 2004 year, where we have started with BTech, MTech, MBA and even diploma courses. And coming to a BTech stream, we have computer science engineering and EC department, EEE department, IT department, civil department and mechanical department. Apart from that, we are even running mechanical departments also. And coming to MTech, we have 6 streams for MTech, and partly for MBA, Master's Education, where we have finance, HR and marketing. And we have also introduced diploma courses also for 2 streams for mechanical and EC. And coming to our faculty members, we have well-reputed faculty members who have done their PhDs from various universities like JNTUH, Usmania University and Kakinada University. And apart from, we have well-educated faculty members who have already done their MTech qualification from different universities. And we have the lab in charges who have done their BTech education and they are taking care of laboratory. And apart from that, coming to our campus and infrastructure, we have well-reputed campus with full-fledged infrastructure and the laboratories, where we have different laboratories for each and every department. As we go for computers and IT department, we have 6 computer labs, and coming to EC department and EEE department, we have their own labs with well-equipped all machinery items. And coming to civil and mechanical, we have established the separate laboratories for civil and mechanical departments. And partly for MBA, we have their own laboratory for MBA. And for MTech, we have well-established labs with full-fledged computers and even the classrooms. And apart from academics, we do even have the NSS activities, and we do even have sports and cultural activities. And coming partly from that, we even introduce the campus placement activities, which would be started from the 2nd year onwards, where I myself am the training and placement officer who takes care of the training and placement activities at Jagruti Engineering College. We start our training programs from the 2nd year, and when we comes to the final year, when the student enters the final year, we take care of the placement activities, where we introduce companies coming into our campus. If you can see here, we have the list of companies on the banner, where we have Infosys, Oracle, IBM, Mahindra Satyam, Wipro, TCS. Apart from that, we do even get the civil and mechanical reputed companies like Magnache Innovations, DCS Labs, IIT Labs. And then coming to MBA, we have Genpact, Broadridge. There are many companies which comes around into the campus and hires the BTech, MTech and MBA students of Jagruti Engineering College. And coming to the last year academic results and the placement results, we have achieved a wonderful placement where we had 170 plus students where they are placed for different MNCs. And Jagruti Engineering College is one of the premium educational institute where they organize on campus, off campus, school campus and even the job fair activities in order to expose various MNCs to the students. And for this year, for the academic year of 2012 and 13, Jagruti Institute has again proved itself standing in one of the best premium institutions, providing the good number of placements for all the BTech and MBA and MTech students of our institution. We had 150 plus students who have got recruited for different MNCs, and they're already working for different corporate sectors. And coming to the finally our transportation system, our college had 15 buses which would be covering the city of complete Hyderabad for the transportation for boys and girls. And Jagruti institution is also providing a free transportation for all girl students of BTech, MTech and MBA students. And coming to our management, finally, the pillars of the college and the management system, we have the board of directors, the chairman and secretary who have all come from the university, Usmania University. They have completed their PhDs and they are taking care of the college. And coming to our management team, our chairman goes with Mr. Paparao sir, who is the chairman of Jagruti Engineering College. And coming to our secretary, Mr. SVR sir, who is the secretary of Jagruti Engineering College. And then the correspondent, Mr. Vinay sir, who is taking care of all the academics in the college. And coming to a principal of Jagruti College, Professor Surendra Rao Garu, who has done his PhD from Usmania University, and presently he is taking care of all the academics and classes of Jagruti Engineering College. Government has already introduced the scholarship scheme for all the BTech, MTech and MBA students. And coming to the fee structure of our college, we don't charge any extra fee from the parents or from the students. We only take the fee which is allotted from the university, JNTUH, according to the norms and conditions. And students who have had a reservations policy, they will be getting the scholarship from the college side.